Hello friends, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to create the twine or rope stitch. As you can see, it comes in rope-like columns. This is the back view. It's kind of thick yarn, and also make sure to choose a bigger needle for this one with number 6, or I'm not sure, maybe it's number 7 weight yarn. I'm using 10 millimeter needles. For today's demo, I'm gonna use 3.5 millimeter needles with this fine yarn just to show you how the fabric will look like in narrower yarn. For number of stitches, you can have any number of stitches. You don't need to have any specific number. And the repeat number of rows is 2 rows. You're going to repeat 2 rows. We're going to work one setup row at the beginning. That will be a purl row. I will show in English style first and then continental. Just simple purl row for the setup row, and your purl stitches for English style will be this way. I'm gonna switch to continental and finish this setup row. Okay, now we're gonna start row 1. It's super simple. I'm gonna pick up, just slip the edge stitch and then put the yarn at the back. You're gonna go to the space between two stitches and you're gonna see the gap between those two stitches. We're gonna insert the needle into that loop and knit one stitch. When you pull the yarn, make sure to have excess yarn on the needle. Just keep a nice toggle there and then slip the next stitch to the right needle. We're going to repeat these two steps over and over. Make sure to pull this yarn and slip the next stitch. That's it for this row. You're going to repeat these two steps. Let me show in continental method. Just go to the loop right here, knit, pull, and slip. As I mentioned, it's super simple pattern. Okay, this was row 1 and you're gonna see that your stitches are paired now. So in row 2, we're gonna purl 2 together. I slip my edge stitch and next I purl 2 together. In continental method, just simple purl 2 together. And that's it. Very simple pattern. I will work couple of rows just to show you the fabric I get with the finer yarn. Okay, here is the final look. Looks very nice. It looks like something that you made with the crochet. It looks like crochet pattern. You can use for making a bag or cushion. And here is the final look with the finer yarn. It feels like crochet pattern, and it could be used for decorative objects like bags or cushions, and sometimes you can even use part of a dress. I love how it looks. I hope you guys also enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.